using the BioLite stove. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these things before. They're pretty neat. I've had this thing for about 5 years. This is the pot. You can either get it with the stove or order it after. There's a stove. Basically like a rocket stove. If you haven't seen one of these before, they're pretty neat. Right here tells you how hot your flame is and how much it's charging, pretty much. Right here is your fan. There's different fan speeds. And right, this one right here obviously is your battery. So this thing has a battery inside. You can use it to charge up your phone. So all you do goes in here, just hold it in place. And this just sits on top just like that. But you know what the shitty thing is? I forgot my lighter. But luckily, I brought this. It's pretty much like the Light My Fire by Mora. The blade on this is, I find, a little bit better. It's a little bit bigger. This one is, what is this? HX Outdoors. It's a half decent knife right here. Luckily I got some of these. There's my Leatherman. But yeah, this is just like the Light My Fire. You get a ferro rod with it, which is pretty cool. So, put a whole bunch of shavings in here. First try! I want this to get going pretty good before I put it in there. There we go. So you do, just turn on the fan. I don't know if you could hear it. Where do I have it? I have it on number 2 right now. And here's where the flame is. So obviously the fire just started, so the fire's not going to be hot enough to really start charging it yet. But once it gets going, this rocket stove burns pretty good. So we're going to be having some toasted chicken sandwiches with some smoked cheese. We got some coleslaw to throw on there, some chilies. I'm excited. Ooh, the fire is going nice. Look at it. You ready for this? All these chilies, give me fucking flames coming out of my ass, man. That's what's up, bud. That's what's up. Thank you. I am going to be slapping down some smoked cheese on this side. I'm going to pile on some chicken. Oh man, going to drop some of these on there. Oh yeah. Look at that. What does that look like, man? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the color. And then we're gonna slap another piece of cheese. And this bad boy is gonna be facing this way. Shit, is this gonna fit? Okay, now we gotta try and make this work. Squish this bitch down. Let's go. Let's get this bastard clamped right the fuck down. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Trying this thing. Get this fire going again. Wasted half my time. this right here clicks under the pie iron. Barbecue sauce. Oh, look at this. Even have a cold Canada Dry. Some ginger ale. Getting nice and sunny out again. Oh, snap. There we go. Okay, I'm going to turn this bad boy down. Let's see if we can get this to... I'm sure this pie iron will fit on top. Got the OneTigris. I think this is a ground sheet actually. Using it as a shade. Not too bad. See how this bad boy looks. Oh yeah. Probably gonna be hot, so. Oh man. Pie iron success. Pie iron success. Debating, do I cut it in half or just eat the whole sandwich? So good. That chicken is so moist. Well, I'm gonna finish up eating, then we're gonna head out in the water.